Hi, morning, welcome to Ask Cooks. So today we'll be cooking our turkey breast in our Rationale SCC. So take a look at our little instructional video. Cheers. Start by pressing the on button. And it goes. So here we have our main screen. Then we're going to go to turkey. Up the top, we've got turkey again. Then we've got this screen, okay? You can see preheating down here. Okay, what sort of temperature you want, 72, 76 as we're in Britain. Then I'm gonna go for a light function and we're gonna leave that to heat up. Okay, there will be, down here, you will get a full bar going up and that will say it's ready to be loaded. See how that's going up now? Okay, so we're preheating. And once that's ready, we can add our turkey. Open your oven. Load the turkey that's already in a tray. So then now we take our probe and put it into the thickest part of our turkey breast. Insert it along. And then close everything up now. So, getting towards the end of the cooking now, just to show you a few items while we're there. So here is our cooking time remaining. Here is the core temperature at the moment. Here is the core temperature that we're heading for. So if you require something else, then you can reset that. Okay, that tells you what it's on. So it's on roast. We're just using 120 degrees at dry heat. Okay, there you are. Okay, as you can see, our turkey is getting nicely cooked, and that will be ready in 16 minutes. So we can see our turkey's nearly done now. It's taken a couple of hours. Okay, different from other conventional cooking. Okay, this is going to reduce your shrinkage by about 10 to 15% at least. Okay, some people prefer the steam method which you can use and set up yourself, but this is the standard one. Okay, pretty good. Obviously, once it goes off, put it on to cool down to take off the surface heat. All right. Also, plug in under here if you want to do your HACCP to get your temperatures, or what I was thinking these days is you could probably just take a picture of that to prove that your turkey was cooked on that day at that time. Okay, so thanks for watching, catch you soon, cheers.